Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Deer River, Minnesota, a small town surrounded by lakes, rivers, and forests. This community was founded in the late 1800s as logging and railroads brought new settlers to the area. Over the years, Deer River has grown into a place where outdoor life and community spirit go hand in hand. It is well known for fishing, hunting, and enjoying the natural beauty of northern Minnesota. The Mississippi River flows close by, adding to the charm and history of the region. Whether you're exploring the rivers, joining a community event, or just enjoying the peaceful setting, Deer River has a way of making you feel at home. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Deer River, Minnesota. Thanks for watching!